So, good day sir, I am John Carl Sanchez Quitustus from BSMT 3L NAT, and today we're going to tackle about the 5 steps of dry docking. So first, what is dry docking? Dry docking is a process of taking a ship or a vessel out of the water to maintain and repair. So basically, when we say dry docking, it is the process where a ship is taken out from a water to inspect and repair its parts. So there are 5 steps in dry docking. First is preparation, docking, maintenance and repair, testing and trials, and undocking. So first step, which is the preparation. Under the preparation, we have this planning, cleaning, and inspection. So under the planning, involves scheduling and inventory of what are going to be or what is going to be the repair and the strategies and repair to be carried out. Under the cleaning, the crew will clean the ship's hull to remove any uh, marine growth and debris. Next, inspection, a thorough inspection for each part that needed to be repaired during dry docking. So next is docking. First is we have the positioning, flooding, ballasting, and deballasting. When we say positioning, the vessel is positioned above the keel blocks to ensure that it is to position it on the dry docking. Next is the flooding. So flooding, when we say flooding, the docking area will be flooded by water so that the vessel can enter and position to it. Next is ballasting. A vessel is carefully ballasted to ensure stability and prevent damage. So ang vessel is ballast will be taking or ballasting to ensure that the vessel stay and stable. Next is the ballasting. The dry dock is deballasted, causing the vessel to gradually settle into a keel block. So after the docking facilities is being flooded, so if the vessel is in position, next step is deballasting, or the water will be taken out from the dry docking facility. Next is maintenance and repair. So under the maintenance and repair, this is the process where the repairs of ship's hull, ship's engine, and other necessary repairs will be carried out. Next is under the repairs also we have the repairs. So we're going to repair the different part of the vessel, especially those who have damages. Next is painting, painting the ship's hull to ensure integrity of the vessel. Next is testing and trial. So the fourth phase is testing and trial. So after the vessel is being maintained, it will go under system check of the different navigational equipment, the vessel's engine. So there will be testing and sea trials if vessel is seaworthy again to perform or to be used as a transport vessel. Next, the 5 phase and the last step we call the undocking. Flooding the dry dock to fill allow the vessel to float. Next, if the vessel is done maintenance, done testing trial, now is the undocking, where the dry dock facilities or the dry dock area will be filled with water so that our vessel can be float. Next is deballasting. So deballasting the vessel so that the weight of the vessel will be light, so that it will be easily lifted. So that next is departure. So after the being all the process is done, and after the dry dock facility is being full with water, so the vessel is now ready to depart and ready for sea service again. So again, those are the 5 steps of dry docking. We have planning stage, docking stage, maintenance and repair, and sea trials and undocking. That's all, sir. Thank you.